How to see deactivated account on your Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see deactivated Instagram accounts. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your Insta. After you head over to your Insta, you will simply need to go to your profile. Tap on your profile on the bottom right. After you do that, you will simply need to head over to your followers. After you tap on your followers, if you have many followers, you will see categories. Now under categories, you will see creators, deactivated accounts, and so much more. Now there will be an category that says deactivated accounts. If you simply tap on it, you will be able to see a list of people that have deactivated their account. And yeah, that is basically it. And yeah, that is all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Bye bye.